Welcome back to CloudBlueDigital. So we have already installed XAMPP, CMDER. We have also installed Sublime Text 3 and Composer. The last thing to install is Git, which will host our code on the server. So let's go and download Git. Just type Git download. Go here. I will just download it here, but if you have any other version, you just click the version you have. So I'll save this. We will also download something I call Turtle Git, which allows you to have graphical interface for Git, because by default you have to use command line to run the commands, which sometimes it's hard because you don't know all the things that Git can do. So you can always check with the Turtle Git what you can do. So I'll download this version here. Click save. It shouldn't take too long, so I'm not going to pause. So we already have a Git, open folder, and we want to run Git. Git is essential. The Turtle Git, I call it, is not essential, but I do recommend it. We don't want icon. We can use true type font, which is just basically nicer font. Yep, that's fine. That's fine. Leave as is. Leave as is. Don't change anything. It's best not to. So Git is installing. We also install Turtle Git. Okay. So we want to. I prefer to always allow all of the things because sometimes you need something and then you don't have it. It's better to have it. It doesn't take more space. Okay. So Turtle Git is installing. Git is nearly installed. I'll show you briefly how to use Git as well from one of my projects and say to you and show you how useful it is. You also have to create Git account, so you can head over to GitHub. I already have an account, so I'm not going to create one, but as you see, there is a list of projects I have on Git, the ones I contribute to as well. Okay, so Git is installed, Turtle Git is installed. We want to run the first wizard. So the language pack, depending on what language you use, I'll just leave it as English. Yep, next. Git is here. You just click next. You can set up your email and name here. I'll just leave it as is. We credential helper you want to have WinCred. So basically, it will store your credential in the file, which is pretty much safe to do. So we have Turtle Git as well. So let's see what we can do now. So this is one of my projects. As you see, you already have Turtle Git commands here. So let's launch Sublime, and I have the project open. So let's say I make a change in, let's say, JavaScript file here. I'll make a change. I'll write hello, just for the test purposes. If I go on Web Builder now, I can click Git Commit, and you'll see the changes I have made. I can type comment, and I have hotfix for template.js, which is of course just for testing purposes, and I can commit and push this straight to the server, to Git server. Otherwise, I'll have to do through the command line, which is sometimes painful. The other options that we'll use as we go along. But to get started, what you can do is create different branches. Branches, you can think of branches as versions of your application. So let's say we go to the web builder, which is the one we've been editing, and you have master branch. So this is the default branch. Master branch is usually run on the production server, so where your application is live. But of course, if you are doing development, you don't want to push to master every single time because it can cause issues and it might not work properly. So instead, you create develop branch, and from that you create additional branches in order to push to develop branch. As you see, in my example, I already have a new branch which is called S3 setup because I'm in the middle of setting up Amazon S3. If you want to create a new branch, you can go here, go switch checkout, and you can create new branch from here, but make sure it's from develop. So you always want to choose develop as your default one. Okay, that's it. So back on Git. So the pattern is you have two branches, master and develop. Whatever you do locally, you do on a local branch, which you name depending on what you're actually working on. Then when you push to Git, you can then do a pull request here. So you, of course, you want to put develop as a base one, and here you choose branch that you've been working on. If you push on Git, it will appear here. So let's say we choose master, and it tells me it's able to merge, so basically there's no conflict. Usually if you were to push straight to one branch, you could actually end up with conflict, especially if you're working as a team. Therefore, it's good to get used to the pattern I'm showing you now, because it will help you later on once you are working in teams. As I said, other options that Turtle Git has available I'll show you as we go along. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. See you on the next video.